there's the three different types of, the main types I should say, of engineering, which are your mechanical, your civil and your electrical. And any one of those three, you could become a gas engineer. There's aeronautical engineering that you could come into automotive engineering now that they're doing as well. There's no reason why they wouldn't be taken on as gas engineers as long as they prove themselves on the day of the interview or whatever to be capable.
Just focusing on electrical, within this particular company there's probably 10 to 12 different types of electrical engineers. PowerCore is a electrical power company, but we have engineers in design, we have engineers in operational fields, we have engineers in lighting, we have engineers in maintenance, we have engineers in protection and control, SCADA telemetry, we have communications aspects, we have software because a lot of our plant is software controlled.
There's lots of different streams of electrical engineering involved, not only in the power generating side of things, but also just to do with the plant. With new technology, there's a lot of electronics also that electrical engineers are involved with. And even in a mining sense, we've got GPS navigation and all sorts of things that have come into play that are all things that electrical engineers deal with as well.
So what does an engineer's job entail?
The engineer's role may be varied. In this particular location, it's to provide, I suppose, specialist advice to people within the company that are negotiating to make supply available to a client or to maintain our system. The specialist advice may mean that you need to do calculations and determinations from first principles.
My role requires me to put together business cases, so I have to justify why certain jobs should be done. I need to put together policies, again, and standards which dictate how work is to be completed. And every now and again I actually get to do work on the job as well, so that's pretty good too.
To become a qualified engineer, you have to have studied both maths and science in Year 12 and then undergo a 4-year university course.
We have a Bachelor's of Engineering in Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and then we have a Bachelor's of Engineering Science in Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Now, the Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical and Electronic Engineering is a 4-year course, and the Bachelor of Engineering Science is a 3-year course. What students can do in the Bachelor of Engineering Electrical Engineering course is that they can have a common first couple of years where they do their normal physics, mathematics, circuit theory and application subjects. And then in the 3rd and 4th year they can stream and specialise into communication engineering, computer and software engineering, microelectronics engineering, photonic engineering and power systems engineering.
Let's hear a bit more about engineers' courses.
The engineering degree shows that you have a sound understanding of the basic knowledge. I know that with us, the first year, there are some universities currently at the moment that offer a common first year engineering course, and then you branch after that. But then there's other universities like RMIT that have structured mechanical engineering, electrical engineering. You choose which one of those you want to go into first year. But even having said that, I did have the option to move from one to the other during my course, which means that they're very similar in what sort of subjects they do teach.
Most of the university courses are set up along the same lines. You start off with a fairly broad knowledge in your first couple of years. There's no real specialisation, I don't believe, anymore. You might do your first and second year in common with other disciplines of engineering, such as civil or mechanical. And then as the, say, 3rd and 4th year are introduced, then either by design and university curriculum, you start veering off into your particular stream, or you may be given electives that you decide to undertake in a particular combination to satisfy your interests or to project you into the area that you want to work in.